Welcome everyone to the November edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors. So once again, continuing to have this conversation about inflation, kind of the watchword of really everything that's going on in the economic world for sure. So we noticed last month, it looks like railroad retirement Tier 1 is going to be going up 8.7% on the Tier 1. And 2.8% on the Tier 2, right? It's all about inflation. So that's on the benefit side, but remember also on the economy and the markets, just, the Fed's talking about inflation, everybody's talking about inflation. Check out my chart of the month on stock and bond performance once inflation peaks. Really interesting chart, have a look. Great returns once you get inflation under control. So we'll just keep hammering that inflation mantra. So check that out. Check out my mailbag video on why 35 years is used for the Tier 1 and railroad retirement. Get a little educational background on that, how Social Security years and railroad years combine into your Tier 1. So that's great stuff. And then on my whiteboard of the month, I have 5 things advisors should know about railroad retirement. So some of you are working with financial advisors, which is great. That's good to see. But some of them might not understand railroad retirement, or they put it upon you to understand railroad retirement for them. Check out this video, share it with your advisors, and that way you guys can work together to understand really the benefits of railroad retirement. Big part of your railroad retirement, so everybody should know what's going on there. And then finally, it's Thanksgiving month, one of my favorite months, and I have a flow chart in there. Are you ready for Thanksgiving, right? So detailed, make sure you prepare for Thanksgiving so you guys really have a great holiday. All right, and until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.